Okay, writing in Scrivener, and I'm doing a Pulp Fiction. This is the first chapter, or the first part if you like, of my Jack Vicious Pirates of Shanghai. We're starting with a fistful of trouble. The hero pitches in, all the other characters. The hero lands in physical conflict, and a complete surprise twist to end part one. And we can see the story here. I won't go right through it all. Just read it through a bit. (1,573 words. That's not bad for a chapter for Pulp Fiction. Probably a bit long actually. But it is first person. I'm trying this in the first person. So far it's going okay. And there we go. And we're at the end of chapter 1. So one of the reasons I really like using Scrivener is because you can just jump backwards and forwards between all these really easily. It's a 4-part book, really easily, and of course it's part of the original, the Lester Dent Pulp Paper Master Fiction plot, which is very good, fantastic to follow, and it gives you these 4 sections. Now this is a template that's fairly widely available, or certainly the master plot is, and the template, well, this template I put together myself. I've got some conflicts and recovered files there. I must find out what they're for. But there's my draft again, and part 1. Part 2, shovel on more grief. The hero struggles, another physical conflict, a surprising plot twist. Part 3, much the same. Part 4, much the same, except big surprise at the end and the punchline. Now this is not a long book, so I should have finished it. No excuses. Okay, let's stop this video and see where we end up. Actually, before I run out of battery. Doing all this on the iPad Mini 5. Wonderful to work with.